Welcome to Getembe Electricals. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a Lorenzetti Aqua shower and how to change the element. Now this is how the Lorenzetti Aqua looks. So you unclip this part down here, and then there are two locks here. You pull them that way. Those ones you pull like this, and the element will come out. You don't repair this one, it's unrepairable. This element is not like the other elements. So this is how it looks. So we have a new one here. We have a new one here. So you take it like this, and then you replace like this. But the metal part must be this side, so you change like that. Those metal parts, they are the contacts that connect the shower to the element. So you take it back like this, like that, and you have to put these locks. You have to put these locks like that, and then you push it using the locks. You push it using the locks. It's a very simple task. You don't have to buy a new shower. Like that, you push those locks upwards. Then you return this lid, or rather this cover, and your shower is as good as new. We tested it. Like and subscribe for you to watch our other videos. Press the super thanks button. Thank you.